Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to write a program that will ask the user to give a string, and then our program will remove the vowels in a given string or a sentence using PERL or Practical Extraction Reporting Language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, we have your sharp, shebang, USR, bin, PERL. Use trick and warnings, print, new line, the title of our program, remove vowels in PERL. To new line here, backslash n. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give a string that will be stored in a variable $input underscore string, chump $input underscore string, my output string here, and then regular expression here, $output underscore string. We filtering here the vowels, E, I, O, U, small letters, E, I, O, U, capital letters, G. And then we will display the string without the vowels here, $output underscore string, print. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code. Let us click the run button here. Okay, remove vowels in PERL, enter a string. Let's say for example PERL programming, enter. We have here the output. Another example, let's say information technology forever. Okay, this type, enter. Okay, we have here the output. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on remove vowels in a given string or sentence in PERL or Practical Extraction Reporting Language. Thanks for something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.